Hey everyone, I'm criminal attorney Aaron J. Boria, and right now I'm driving back from the 35th District Court in Plymouth. That's the court that has jurisdiction over Canton, Northville, Plymouth, those cities and townships. On this day, my client was charged with retail fraud in the third degree. He could have been charged with retail fraud in the second degree. I'll get to that in a second. But we are walking out. His case is being sealed in a way that legally he will never have to tell anyone that he's ever been convicted of a crime. He's going to receive 6 months of non-reporting probation, and the only thing he has to do is 4 days of community service. Legally, he can tell anyone that he has never been convicted of a crime, including potential employers, schools, anything like that, with the result that we achieved today. Earlier I mentioned that he was charged with retail fraud third and could have been charged with retail fraud second. Retail fraud third is charged when a person's accused of stealing something that's worth less than $200. You steal something greater than that, but less than $1,000, then you could be charged with retail fraud second. The difference is that the fines and costs are higher for retail fraud second, and the potential jail time jumps from 93 days up to a year. So big difference there. Sometimes when the police arrest someone, they will write a ticket for a charge that they think would fit the facts of the case. Sometimes the police are wrong. When you get to court, the prosecuting attorney, that's the attorney who's against you, the attorney who represents the police and the local government or the state government, they can amend the charge at almost any point. In this particular case, my client was accused of stealing somewhere around $300 or $400 worth of clothing. Because of that, he really fit the facts for retail fraud second degree, with increased penalties, increased financial costs, a likelihood of more probation, a much more serious offense. So when we got to court, I was still able to negotiate with the prosecuting attorney to keep it as a retail fraud third. This way, even though my client's case will ultimately be dismissed, it still saved him hundreds of dollars and was probably one of the reasons why he got 6 months of non-reporting probation. This means he doesn't have to show up to the court again. He does his 4 days of work program, and that is it. That's it. That is a pretty damn good result for someone charged with retail fraud of any degree. I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria. I fight for my clients, and I get results that other attorneys simply cannot. Call me today, 734-453-7806, or shoot me an email at borialaw@gmail.com. I am happy to fight for you.